The whole thing is about trial and error.
This week in TUSD, Pioneer students persevere through the engineering design process, motivated by the chance to turn their digital creations into 3D printed masterpieces.
At one point I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna do this anymore. But then I'm like, wait, but I really want to print it. So like that one motivation was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it again and again until I get it right, and I printed it out perfectly.
It makes you like excited for the class. You actually like it. And you want to like come back and maybe look into the career that's the option.
That skill to be able to see a problem and then just fix it. It helps me not just at Pioneer, not just in this class, but in all of my classes.
Tustin students get a bite of reality, seeing firsthand the cost of living on their own and the importance of budgeting and saving.
I think it was already in my mind, but now I'm really conscious of how much the money really does matter, and it's not so much about passion, but as much as about being able to live and in doing so finding your passion.
It just opened my eyes like, whoa, like I'm really spending that much money just on food alone, but like eating out every day. Like it's making me like be more conservative and like, making a budget for my future.
It's kind of, I would say, a little bit stressful having to manage like my finances, but making sure at the same time that I'm able to like provide for my family. So this really helps us to not really like go in debt or like earn a bad credit score.
Ladera students have the freedom to engineer their creativity in the STEAM lab, learning the importance of perseverance in problem solving.
Kind of gives you the experience of engineering and kind of see what it feels like to build things, because you're using cardboard, which has more structure than just like paper. So it's kind of like you're actually building something.
If it fails, it's okay, you can try again and like keep doing that process, because like if they don't really learn it here, then as they get older, if if it fails, they're like, oh, I can't do it again, I just give up.
It makes you be way more creative, and then your brain clears out and then your brain works better.
A lot of it is like helping you work with a team and problem solving skills.
We are TUSD. This is us.